For jobs with a white underbase pass, a slight choke is applied to prevent the white from peeking along the edges of the color pass. For this letter O, a choke of 5 removes 5 pixels from both the outer and inner contours. Prior to printing, we can inspect the amount of choke. Choose Rip Only, and then choose View Raw Data. This previews the color data pass over the white underbase pass, though the underbase will not be discernible against black substrate. Zooming in, we can see that 5 pixels of the white underbase have been choked along the outer contour and the inner contour. However, too much choke can cause an unintended stroke to appear on the graphic edge, so print test charts to determine the correct choke value. Choose Q menu, Set White Choke. Multiple test images will be printed within this area. Use a file typical of your work, or choose a test file from RIP, System, Targets. The alignment PNG file is effective for testing chokes, though we use a different file in the following examples. Set the image size, then click Next. Confirm the range of test values for your charts. A choke greater than 5 is not recommended, but this example uses 0 to 10 in steps of 2 for demonstrating the effects of excessive choke. Click here to print the charts, then enter the best chart value here. With choke of 0, the quality is not terrible on this gray shirt, though the double line has blended into a thick line. With choke of 10, there is 0 white ink under the double lines, and what remains is a discolored stain. With choke of 6, there is still too much choke, which affects the line color. With choke of 4, the double line has good definition, so back in the wizard, we can set this as our desired value.